broken bones, broken heart. Where can I be mended? A little lonely, much afraid. Where am I befriended? Body's tired, feeling faint. Where can I lay myself down? Eyes are red, buzzing head. Someone stop this sound. Here I learn to rest, only in stillness. Gently I am formed anew, only in nearness with you.
Kayak ular ya. Menayu.
Remind me of the garden, recall for me the scent of long walks under trees, feeling once again like myself, stirring in the morning, for cool ground underfoot, walking slow next to me. It's you again, garden friend. Here I learn to rest, only in stillness.